Okay, so this question here says we can confirm that 9 is a square number by drawing a diagram shown to the right here. So this diagram, okay. Now in terms of square numbers, what we've got is we know that if we have 3 here, 3, 3, so we've got 3 dots by 1, 2, 3 dots down this way, right? We know that, and we can see that it forms a square. Okay, and we know that 3 times 3, right, gives us 9 dots. Okay, because that's 3 times 3. So that's why they're called square numbers, because if we plot them on a diagram like this, right, they form a square, right? So let's have a quick look to see why 6 is not a square number. Okay, so basically we'd be having a look to see, okay, what can I multiply together to get 6? So I know first of all, for 6, right, we'd be looking at, well, I could do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that's 1 by 6. Okay, that doesn't form a square. The only other factors that I know of are 2 by 6. So let's look at 1, 2, or 2 by 3, I should say. 1, 2, 1, 2. So there's 6 dots there, and that's 2 by 3, and that doesn't form a square. Okay, so basically, okay, we can see that you can't form a square out of 6 dots. Okay, so a square cannot be formed out of 6 dots. Therefore, it's not square. Okay. So if we have a look at B though, right, so with B, what we want to have a look at is, why is 16 a square number? Well, if we look at 16, I know that when I do this, I can go 1, 2, 3, 4 in this direction, 1, 2, 3 in that direction, because I already got that. So I've got 4 dots here, 4 dots here, and then if I fill that in of a 4 by 4, right, when I deal with this, so I've got 4 in this direction, 4 in that direction, I know 4 by 4 is 16, and if I look at these dots here, right, they form a square, and there's 16 dots in there. Okay, so in terms of that, therefore 16 is a square number because a square can be formed from 16 dots. Okay, and so that's the reason why they're called square numbers, right?